The Constitution of India. Part 5. The Union. Chapter 2. Parliament. General. Article 81. Composition of the House of the People. 1. Subject to the provisions of Article 331, the House of the People shall consist of a. Not more than 530 members chosen by direct election, from territorial constituencies in the states. And b. Not more than 20 members to represent the Union territories, chosen in such manner, as Parliament may by law provide. 2. For the purposes of sub-clause A of Clause 1. There shall be allotted to each state, a number of seats in the House of the People, in such manner, that the ratio between that number, and, the population of the state is, so far as practicable, the same for all states. And, b. Each state, shall be divided into territorial constituencies, in such manner, that the ratio between the population of each constituency, and, the number of seats allotted to it is, so far as practicable, the same throughout the state. Provided that, the provisions of sub-clause A of this clause, shall not be applicable, for the purpose of allotment of seats, in the House of the People, to any state, so long as the population of that state does not exceed 6 millions. 3. In this article, the expression population means the population is ascertained at the last preceding census, of which the relevant figures have been published. Provided that the reference, in this clause, to the last preceding census of which the relevant figures have been published, shall, until the relevant figures for the first census taken after the year 2026 have been published, be construed. 1. For the purposes of sub-clause A of Clause 2, and the proviso to that clause, as a reference to the 1971 census. And 2. For the purposes of sub-clause B of Clause 2, as a reference to the 2001 census.